Hello, folks. Todd Halleck. Wanted to talk to you a little bit this week about some scams we've been seeing pretty regularly here in the office. So, if you have a limited liability company, a corporation, a limited partnership, something like that, at some point you have to file articles of organization or articles of incorporation, certificate of organization with your state Department of Commerce, Secretary of State, whatever your state where your company is organized happens to require. Many states also require an annual report to be filed with the state. And in some instances, there's an annual fee that goes along with that annual report. And or maybe it's every other year, but whatever your state requires, there's often a report that needs to be filed on a regular or semi-regular basis to update the state regarding the management of that company, the address of that company, and things of that nature. Well, a lot of our clients lately have been getting letters from third parties that a lot of times tend to be a scam offering to get this taken care of for them for some fee. Um, and the clients will assume that they're actually filing the report themselves because it looks official. Um, just remember, not every state even has a fee for these reports. If they do, it tends to be put forth on a schedule that you can readily find that tells you how much it should be. In Utah, it's a pretty nominal fee. In other states, it can be much higher. In Idaho, there's no fee at all for the annual report. But you can usually readily find that, and you usually do that through the website of that state entity. In Utah, that's the Department of Corporation, or excuse me, Department of Commerce. In Idaho, that's going to be the Secretary of State. In Arizona, where I'm also licensed, it's going to be the Corporation Commission. But that's where you're going to be filing reports and filing documents related to your company. You're not going to be generally filing those through some third-party provider. So be careful, understand what you're doing. If you have any questions, contact the state or contact your attorney that can help guide you and don't get scammed.